If you're looking for the best trading platform to trade crypto futures with leverage, this is the place to go. And we're going to be going over a list here, guys. I'll leave a link down below and I'll give you guys some access to some research. But guys, there's a couple ways and a couple platforms that you could go ahead and trade futures, right? Obviously, you're going to use leverage, you're going to do your thing. And usually, you can get 10x leverage, 50x, 100x if you're an absolute degenerate. There's actually one that does 1000x, which is insane, okay? Let's talk about it. So here is a list from obviously the Crypto News blog, and we can see coin futures. They only have 7 markets, sure, but you could literally do 1000x leverage, which is insane. And the fees, it's a P&L fee or a flat fee, right? There's no minimum deposit either, and it's overall this the best futures trading platform. Now we're going to talk about some other ones, right? So MEXC, obviously they have a lot more. They have 741, but the max leverage is 500, and we can see the fees. It's a maker 0% and a 0.101 taker fee with the minimum deposit of $10, and they have a wide coin support, right? Which is obviously, you can see 741 coins. That's pretty freaking insane. Now next up is OKX with 291. They do 125x leverage, which again, it's still pretty good leverage, let's be real, but it doesn't compare to 1000x, right? We can see the fees here, 0.02 for the maker, 0.05 for the taker. And they have a $10, minimum deposit. And you can see flexible denomination and support. Okay, so pretty cool. Binance has 512 pairs, pretty cool. Obviously one of the biggest exchanges out there. Fees are pretty standard, $15 minimum deposit and 125x. Obviously guys, when you're as big as Binance, you probably can't do the craziest amount of leverage, but 125x is still pretty freaking generous. Now, again, guys, there's some other ones here, right? Like Bybit, it's insane. They have 566. They do 200x, and they also have inverse futures. And we can see KuCoin 422 with 200x. Some decent fees, a bit higher on the taker side, but regardless, it is pretty beginner friendly, and KuCoin obviously a massive exchange. Okay, so coin futures, they are top ranked. It lets you predict the short-term price movements of Bitcoin, Litecoin, XRP, Ethereum, Tron, Doge, and Solana. So obviously these 7 right now. Maybe they're going to add more. We don't know. We're going to have to wait and find out. But basically, it uses an advanced algorithm that allows you to trade the chart of your chosen asset without actual exposure to it, right? Obviously makes sense. And another thing is there is no wallets or KYC, guys. So you can be fully anonymous using this platform, which is what I think is the coolest part. Now I will leave a link to coin futures down below. You guys can go ahead, register it. Like I said, it's pretty simple. Up to 1000x leverage, no KYC or exchange accounts, and you can cash out anytime. It does seem pretty cool, but again, if you guys are going to be trading with leverage and doing all this stuff, make sure you guys know what you're doing. Leverage is your best friend, but it's also your worst enemy if you don't know what you're doing. So if you guys are going to go here and lose all your money, listen, don't do it, guys. It's not worth it. But guys, that is going to be for today's video. If you guys did enjoy, I want you guys to leave a like, subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.